How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to go over our K-Force 18 Linear. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your connection cable. Then you'll notice that you have a connector here at the end of your cable, and that's to be used with our optional SIG plug that you'll see in the drop-down menu. Or you can cut this off and hardwire to your vehicle as well. Now today I am going to be using our optional SIG plug, and again that will plug in via connector here. So let me get my cigarette lighter plug hooked up, and then I'll plug it into my cigarette lighter port. And then you'll notice that you have your on-off switch here, so you can select that to activate your light bar. And then you have an LED indicator here to show that your light bar is on. And then you have your flash pattern switch here, so you can select that to go through your different flash patterns. You can get set on a pattern you'd like. And then this unit has memory recall as well, so when you turn your unit off and back on, it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your flash pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, you'll notice your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So then it will go through the patterns in sequence, giving you that random flash pattern mode effect. Now I did bring an amber unit with me, but we offer this in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I have our standard red-blue unit. And then here I have our green clear alternating unit. Now again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. And we even have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. Now we are using a linear unit here, so you'll notice that you have 6 LEDs per module versus the 4 in TIR. And then when it comes to the housing of your unit, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll see underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes underneath each screw hole for even extra moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here that are adjustable along the slide track on the bottom of your light bar. And then we also have a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud bracket that you'll use the existing hardware from the light bar feet to mount these brackets like so. And this unit will use 2 permanent mount stud brackets. And then we also have our headache rack bracket that you can mount your light bar to, and then you can sandwich it on your headache rack bracket like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 18 Linear. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.